What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? It's your girl here. Okay. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I'm just figuring, like, why not do it? I'm not really a makeup guru, but I got a few stuff. Like, I like to, as of lately, I've been kind of enjoying playing with makeup. It's been like super artistic and fun for me. So what I normally start with is, this is also my first time doing it, and like, I'm looking at my phone. Normally I'd be looking in the mirror, but this is kind of the same shit, you know? So I start with like on YouTube. I start with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I just do this just under your eyes, you know, kind of. It does something, y'all. I guess I should be playing music. I don't really want to hear myself talk the whole time. Y'all, it's so weird. I don't even got one of them little brushes. I got this little sponge, and so I'm going to basically rub it in, you know. Maybe I can see the difference. I should have had one of them lights.
Is this who you are? No, thought you'd go far.
So I do that, and then I'm going to do my eyebrows.
Used to be a star. Is this who you
I should do the blue eyebrows for y'all.
No, but now you're tweaking.
But I'm gonna do some regular, regular. I'm gonna use my eyebrow pencil from the Lip Bar. Got this from Target. It's a black-owned company. Okay, it's vegan and it's cruelty-free. So yeah. I really do need like a mirror, like an up-close mirror, because I mean, this is helping me, but it's also not.
Now your heart's racing fast. Hope you don't crash your car into a pile of trash tonight. What happened to your dad? I'm sure your mom be sad to see your baby boy go down like that. You look in the mirror to try and see clearer, but a beast is in your shoes, cause you're tweaking.
Basically getting ready for a family Zoom call with all my family. Some that's in Georgia, in the South, you know. I'll just be going with the flow when it comes to the brows. It's like, I don't know, I just go with the flow, you know. Again, normally I'll do this in the mirror. Well, I'm like this on the mirror. For me. Nothing's home. So, yeah. That's that. It's like it creates like a matte finish on your makeup, you know, instead of it being like super glossy, oily and shit like that. It definitely creates that matte finish, that matte look. Girl looking like, yeah. So that's what that do. I don't really put too much. I mean, I put just like under my eye. Cause yeah, that's what I do. And then followed after that, I'll be putting, FENTY Beauty Concealer. There. I like to put it right here because it brings out the lip a little bit, Yeah, I'll just put it there. Then again, I use the same little face sponge. And I'll just massage that in.
I can't let you go, babe. You are my love. I know we went through so much fussing and fighting. Girl, I need you right now. You are my drug. One and only, my love.
I know her for 8, been together for 5, living together for 3. Now we don't even speak. We became enemies off the tip of our teeth. Over he say, she say, you know how that be. She had a mouth on her that'll let the whole world know. I was the type that'll keep shit on the low. Like we fight, we argue, that's between me and you. Not my mom's or your pops, your best friends too. She sung, I rap, so I thought it to work. Meanwhile, I was in the street chasing that work. Yeah, I creep with Mina, I creep with Keita. Best believe I'm telling you, I ain't creep with Tina. She said what she said just to get you mad. She wanted everything that we fucking had. We ain't had much, but that bond was right. That love was tight, so we had to make it right.
Girl, I can't let you go, baby. You are my love. I know we went through so much fussing and fighting. Girl, I need you right now. You are my drug. You are my drug. One and only, my love.
Verse 2, let me tell you about AP. We used to argue in the morning, argue in the evening, argue at night, but we made it work. She had a crib, a car, I was competing with her, not knowing me being there made her glad, cause I was stuck in the past with all the things that I had when I got with her. I done fell off bad, no gear, no cash, I was looking bad, I can't front. Yeah, I knew that she loved me, but she did a few things to make me question her loyalty. This verse, I ain't here to down her, I'm here to let her know that I do it again. Settle down, and you become my wife. Let's do everything that we had planned. Let me do this music, you do that sports shit. Let's find the ball player and invest our bread in
I
shit.
can't let you go, baby. You are my love. I know we've been through so much fussing and fighting. We've been through so much fussing and fighting, baby.
She left me.
She left me.
She left me.
She left
I can't believe this chick. She left me. She left me. She left me. I can't believe this chick. She left me. She left me. She left me. I can't believe this chick. She left me. She left me. She left me.
That probably take her.
Play that shit on TNT.
What do I do?
Make the track, so you know we about to
What do I do with all this anger that's inside of me? What do I do? What do I do with all this anger that's inside of me? What do I do? Yeah, I'm trying to stay so focused. I'm trying to know I'm worth it. I got it, yeah, perfect. Yeah, you know for certain. I'm cruising down the valley, trying to find a peace of mind. I'm cruising down the valley, trying to find a peace
show y'all something. So shout outs to Shell, Monique, for these beautiful lock gems. Okay, they're actually doing a giveaway right now too, so get with it, get with it. It. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all for watching. Again, I'm not a makeup guru, but you know, I can be. Now let me I had to do something to occupy my time. So yeah. This is it. This is the look.